So today is the very first time I'm getting to go in the car. So Jacques is going to be driving and I'll do the commentary. First time in the car. It's not fully ready yet, but
yeah, we got the carpet out right now.
Yeah, we are still running, but it's good to be in the car. Okay, I'm using Jacques' thing, so a little bit of a challenge. After 14 years, even the seat belts, especially on the passenger side,
Gas.
it's so good to be in this car. Oh, whoa! This has some power. Hey. Wow, 60 miles right away.
If that's correct, but
we'll figure it out. So it's shift very well.
Yeah, I still got to adjust the linkage since we put the new bushing in, but it feels all right. Again, this car hasn't been driven for more than 15 years, so.
Well, it looks like maybe the speedometer may be wrong.
I think so.
Yeah, because it's not turning. At least the
trip meter doesn't turn. And we get stuck behind an RV on the first outing. What are the odds, eh?
Well, at least we are driving.
Yeah.
After 14 years.
We'll go get some gas and then we'll go for a little drive here in the country.
So this car, last time it was driven, I think in 2014, if I'm not mistaken.
97.
What?
97 was the last oil change on this car.
Well, yeah, I think that could be wrong, but that this car was plated.
Okay.
Was 2004. So then I got this vehicle on 2017, April 18th, I believe. So today is July.
I have to adjust the clutch a bit on this too.
July 27th or 28th. Whoa, does have some power.
The problem is I don't know how fast we're going, and the police always hide right here. So
we are just going to take it easy.
Take it easy, yeah.
And this is exactly what I'll be doing, taking it easy. I'm not a speed devil. So we are just going to have a pleasure, just a pleasure cruise at this point. So this is first drive after 14 years.
Yeah.
Well, actually, few drives. My first time driving, going in the car, because Jacques has been testing the car for a while.
That crooked gauge was driving me nuts, so I just turned it. I pulled the gauge out to check the sender hookups. So
far so good. Everything is working. Only thing that I don't see that is working is the trip
meter, unless it's stuck.
Yeah, so we'll figure out that one.
So I know on the Mercedes, sometimes the old grease sticks the wheel and it won't turn.
Is the actual the odometer is working?
I haven't checked it yet, so we're at 30,
I think so.
40, 48, so we'll see if that changes.
And this is the
O2 sensor, which
O2
is
sensor. This is a modification for this car, just to make sure that the engine is performing very well. So it looks like the sensor is having a little bit of an issue. Got this from Amazon. We may have to change it again. Anyway, so far so good. It's driving good. Yeah,
we got to do an alignment on it. I can feel it wanting to wander, but that was a given when we first started working on it. We saw the wear on the original tires, so
yeah, we'll get those things done. We'll get the bugs done. Just put the plates today. Got the insurance, so now we can drive the car. Anyway, so far so good. So on the way back, I'll be driving. So we'll see what happens.